I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your location with someone on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So first step is to open up Find My. Now we have a few things on the bottom here, like items, which is if you use an AirTag. We have devices, which is going to show you where all of your devices are. And then we have people, which is going to show you where all of your friends are. When you go to the people tab, if you want to add someone to share a location with, or even ask for their location, you can click the plus button on the right, and then I'm going to go with share my location. Once you've selected a person to share your location with, click send. It will give you the option to share your location for an hour, share your location until the end of the day, or share indefinitely, which means forever. Select whichever option that you'd like, and then they will have your location. I'm going to click share indefinitely. Now it said you started sharing your location with this person. Now we can see in our list of people, they can see my location. Now what if I want their location? Well, I'm going to tap on their name and then scroll down, and then I'm going to click ask to follow location. Now your request has been sent and you have asked to follow their location. They can respond to that and let you know what their location is or decide not to. It's up to them. When you're ready to stop sharing your location, you can click stop sharing my location and you're all set.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.